Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change date format in Trello. So first, go to your profile picture and then click on Manage Account. Here you should see Account Preferences, so click on that. And now here is your time zone. On Trello official support website they are here, so if you change your language to English US, you will use MMDD year date formatting, use 12-hour clock and begin the week on Sunday. But if you change it to English UK, you will use this format, use 24-hour clock and begin the week on Monday. So choose the language, so I will show you US or UK, depending on which format do you want. This is for US and this is for UK. So if you have changed the format, change the language, just simply you should see you have updated the language message and then go to Trello and reset it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.